Let me just know on my phone overheat. You gonna put it there for me? I'm gonna move this phone. Babe, put this here for me, please. I'm taking off the phone, girl. Okay. This is what we have so far. It's a lot of chicken that we're doing. Because we're cooking, and it should last us for a few days. Right, babe? Yeah. Yeah, we're not trying to do the cooking every day. So, yeah. I think it's what, 10 pounds? Yeah, 10 pounds of chicken. That should last us. Well, that's what I'm having for lunch for 2 days. So, I'll be fine. I don't mind it. And plus, I'll be having other stuff, fruits and vegetables, etc. So, I'll be fine. But, yeah, we don't do the cooking every day. We definitely don't do that. Hey, babe. Not that we couldn't, but we just really don't have the time to. It actually takes time, guys, as you all know. So we kind of backed up the camera. I hope you hear me clearly because this thing is just shaking a lot. I'm using the microphone, which, as you know, I'm still getting used to that. I made the brine for my turkey. It's a little bit hot, so I've been trying to wait for it to get cool, but it's taking a while, so I'm gonna add some ice to it. Just a little bit so that I can actually pour it in. Pour it on the turkey. It's taking too long. It needs to start soaking. Soaking. Even though I'm doing this, I don't know if I'll actually be cooking on Thursday. It depends on how I feel. But I'm doing it anyways, just in case I decide to cook. Babe, put, huh? Babe, put this on the